Guys, this is just fun. This is fun, okay? Lurella Cosmetics. Let's look at what is inside. Hashtag Lurella. I believe it's a woman-owned brand. This is nice. This was included. This is a free gift. Wow. This is goals, and this I believe is, let's find out together. Oh, like this is like a shimmer eyeshadow. Pretty cool. This is the Sweetheart palette. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. Take the sleeve off. Looks like that. Hello, love. Hello, love. It's a bold pink. We call it fuchsia pink or what? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer colors. And let's do this. So it's basically a pink palette. And this is what the colors look like. This is the Firecracker palette, the sleeve. Firecracker has a mirror. Firecracker looks interesting. It's barbecue, Lady Liberty, sparklers, firecracker, patriotic, fireworks. So yeah, independence. Yeah, this is what. Oh, that's pretty. The barbecue color is pretty. And what else do we want to see? Let's see that firecracker color. That's a nice one. This is the Totally Tubular palette. Nice sleeve. The sleeve looks just like the palette. Totally Tubular has a mirror and is beautiful. I love the colors. Let's swatch Bowie. Look at that. Very rich. Especially this Rhapsody color is very, very interesting. And let's do Goonie. And let's do a shimmer. I'm back like I never left, honey. Today we're going to be using I just want you to know you're my favorite person. Prideful by Lurella Cosmetics. Beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, let's go to play. This is my favorite playground. There's the Fenty Beauty Pro filter. I'm gonna let that dry. How are you guys doing? What's going on? What's going on in the world? What's going on with you guys? I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. You guys know, can't do without it. Just love it. Just love it. And I think I put a little too much. I don't know if it's old age or what, but I'm not quick to jump on things that everybody's doing. Like, I have to be sure that, you know, I don't know. I always wait. Okay, now let's talk about this palette. This just makes me happy. I'm gonna do something purple. Alright, so I'm gonna start with Community. That is Community. Okay. Community is this color. I'm going to use this toothpick thingy or floss is what it is called. So this is what I came up with, off or on camera. I don't know which one I was doing, but I saw this trend on, this is a floss on like I said, on my IG feed, and I thought it was pretty cool. I've seen the spoon trend, and I just kind of wanted to try this one. So this is how it looks on this eye. I don't know, but you know what? We're just gonna play. So this is what I did. Went into community. Watching me miss this one. Why is this one? Let's try again. How did I hold this one? Maybe like this, at an angle. So I'm gonna hold this one also as an angle, right? Like that. And let's go like that. So now, what am I going to do now? This one, that one eye looks different from the other. Hey, in deep waters. I have journeyed into deep waters. So I tried to salvage the look, and this is what I came up with. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. Okay, let's be creative. We challenged ourselves, so we're just going to do what we do. Okay, so I'm going into community and a little bit of together. I hope you can see community and together, using this Lancome brush. It's a Lancome 16 brush. I'm using this brush because of that tip, and this is detailed eye work, so I need a detailed brush to carry out this surgery on my eye. We're going to go into Express. Express is this color, and let's see what it does. There's a little bit of kick up in the pan, but how's it looking, guys? Hope I'm not looking like a clown yet. Community, and do that. I'm gonna kind of blend it out. Twins is this fuchsia color right here, and I'm gonna put that . I'm going somewhere, guys. I'm going somewhere to happen. Now I'm going to go in with, I want to put some glitter in the middle there. I'm going to use Love is Love. This is Love is Love. Let me see if I can use a brush. If I can't use a brush, and I'm also going to go into this color next to Love is Love. Okay, I'm going to use both of them. They're both shimmery colors. And I'm going to go in the middle. The colors are not popping like I want them to. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Fingers are always best. Oh, this is going to be awesome when I put in the lashes. We are going to line, and this is the look. I'm not doing more than this because I think it's gonna look crazy if I keep going, and Lord knows I can keep going. So let me come back with my eyes lined and lashes. I'll be back with lashes liner, and then I'll do something with my lips, okay? And my cheeks. I'm gonna still use some of the colors from this palette to do my cheeks and also my highlight. You know how I do. I like to use all of the colors in the palette for my whole face, just to let you guys see how those colors look on my skin. Drying, and before I can go and press them together, I'm going to work on my cheeks, and I'm going to use this trusty Morphe E4 brush. And because I'm feeling all colorful today, I'm going to be using these three colors: Express, Love is Love, and Queens on my cheeks. And watch and see how I do it. What you looking at? I'm going into Queens now, which is more fuchsia, and kind of layering my blush. Okay, I need to look in the mirror. This is more pink, so I went in with a lighter pink first. Very, very pigmented. You know, I like to do this with eyeshadow palettes, so I don't have to keep going back and forth like nobody has time for that nonsense. Then I'm going to go into a smaller brush. Wow. I'm going to go into a brush like this because I want detail now. And I'm going to go into Love is Love and this other one, Love is Love. These two colors. And I'm going to go right in the apples of my cheeks. Oh. Very lightly, and that's why I needed this kind of brush for it. Ever seen a pink highlight? You get to see one here. Guys, this is just fun. This is fun, okay? This is just fun. This is going to be my highlighter. And I have to blend it to death because it is a different color. So just bear with me. Foundation brush. Do you see the difference? Look, we're not makeup artists for fun. I have been doing this for years. I keep telling you guys, come and watch. Come to this community. Let me teach you how it is done. It just looks like it is glowing right out of my skin. Look at that. Look at that. This is what they won't tell you. So I'm gonna go over it so it's not just stark in your face like, oh my god, she has a pink highlight. This is the secret, okay? Remember that this has on some cream foundation or some foundation of some sort, and I'm just dulling it down. Dulling it down doesn't mean that it's not there. It is there. I just don't want it to be boom in your face, okay? I could do that if I wanted to. It's my face. I mean, what you gonna say? You got something to say about my face? You got something to say? I'm using the MK lip pencil in Wild Cherry, and then I'm going to go in to a Godly Glow lip pencil. It's a fat pencil. Going into this Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl lip polish. Over I want that umber effect, so I'm layering the colors. This is so beautiful in person. It is beautiful. Needless to say, not much to say. I love the palette. I enjoyed using it. It made me have fun. It made me want to work with all the colors. I really, if I could, I would do looks with all of the eyeshadows in this palette. You need to get it. They do sales and the prices are affordable. Quality for your money, value for your money, good brand, good quality of eyeshadows. At least the Prideful that I used was nice. The only drawback is that some of the matte colors were a little chalky, just a little bit, but you know, even the most expensive brands, some of them, the mattes are chalky, so I'm just saying. But I love the palette. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.